Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can properly connect the Haier Induction Hob to the single phase installation. So let's check the plug. We have the 5 cables. You have to start from the middle socket, the green and yellow. This is a ground wire. If you don't have this socket in your home installation, you can just skip it and isolate. In the next step, connect together the blue and the gray cable on the left side. This and neutral wires. And in the last step, connect the brown and the black one. These are phase wires on the right side of your socket. Then close your plug. And now we can connect it to check how it works. As you can see, it's worked perfect, and this is how you can do it. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.